Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you kinds of sentences, interrogative sentence and 10 different useful interrogative sentences. These sentences will improve your English. Watch complete video. Let's go. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. A question mark is used after this kind of sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. A question mark is used after this kind of sentence. Example: what are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? Do you know how to clean a table? Do you know how to clean a table? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where shall we go? Where shall we go? Who are you? Who are you? Whose book did you bring me? Whose book did you bring me? When will you visit your father? When will you visit your father? What is your name? What is your name? What is your father name? What is your father name? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Subscribe to 10S English Mentor and press the bell icon for more videos. Strengthen your English conversation.